Source Naturals, Ultra Mag Review. Description: Dietary supplement. High-efficiency magnesium complex. Maintains muscle and nerve function. Ultra Mag is made with a balanced blend of sources shown to have high bioavailability and absorption. Magnesium is an essential mineral, necessary for producing and storing energy, ATP, allowing muscles to relax, activating over 300 key metabolic enzymes, controlling calcium levels in bones and teeth, and regulating electrical activity in nerve cells. Suggested use: 1 or 2 tablets daily with a meal. Other ingredients: stearic acid, acacia gum, modified cellulose gum, magnesium stearate, and silica. Suitable for vegetarians. Contains no yeast, dairy, egg, gluten, soy or wheat. Contains no sugar, preservatives or artificial color, flavor or fragrance. Warnings: if you are pregnant, may become pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare professional before using this product. Do not use if either tamper evidence seal is broken or missing. Keep out of the reach of children. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.